as a recently sent-off cryptographic money based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for total of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. Long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Examine this view before we start with itemized YFI cost expectation. More well known as the token long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise famous as APY for its lofty clients, known for holding the acknowledgement for an esteemed decentralized project. Long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and EDI while executing different exchanges like saving assets, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can acquire loaning expenses as well as exchanging charges. Under the umbrella of long, a large number of stablecoins get support viz. DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among various upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DaiDX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Thus, we can incorporate different exercises of long money, with the most unmistakable ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to increase loaning yield, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with savvy contracts. The vital classes to pick above classifications are divided under procure, ZAP, APR, and vaults. It very well may be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and successfully. The YFI token assumes a vital part here. Right now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a circling supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unpredictable universe of crypto resources, good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly crucial part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost forecasts. The essential target of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of variables comprise speculation exhortation by top intermediaries as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money approaches $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost gauge for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our drawn-out cost forecast, the coin could get marginally impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the greatest cost of $25,867 and the most minimal cost of $22,299. Regardless of its reception in the cryptographic money market, long money cost will generally confront heat till January 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back, YFI's exchanging cost could ascend somewhat higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. What's more, consequently, merchants ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or financial planning. Long money, verifiable information and specialized examination. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated extraordinarily certain for long money regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the last part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with monstrous addition. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given underneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as figure venture situation for crypto market examination in light of day-to-day diagram and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DeFi token all-time exorbitant cost. Long money value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like YFI, there could be estimates of marvels. There could be enchantment in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be an embellishment that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high, with a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs. Financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a credulous participant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a cryptographic money characterizes its costs, and not its legendary beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost expectations by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, YFI is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Expectation 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the YFI with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Expectation 2024. There are many expectations proceeding for the YFI token. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up making the financial backers collect the additions. Albeit the cryptographic money markets are totally eccentric, it would maybe take a supernatural occurrence for YFI to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is likewise dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up energy gathering a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on training, effort, and developments might take them to an obvious degree of $45,829.36. YFI will settle to bring brave returns for its clients. YFI Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn ideal, this computerized resource is set to break all obstructions and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Violating all restrictions over the course of the following year, it would unquestionably give indications of fortune. Upheld by hearty shrewd agreements, long money cost may handily contact $41,683.07 before the year's over 2026. How does YFI acquire esteem on the lookout? The credit goes to merchants. They have trusted in YFI expecting it would scale peak, transforming the universe of digital forms of money. YFI has packed away its certainty absolutely based on its legitimacy. YFI has demonstrated its determination against its rivals. Without a doubt, long money would be worth brokers' hard